without wasting much more time, we will start our lecture. So, very good morning, all of you. Once again, I welcome you all for our next lecture of entrepreneurship development subject. In last lecture, we are already discussed related to the different phases different phases of a EDP, that initial phase, middle stage, and final stage, post EDP program stage. And this post EDP program stage, it is very important. And last time I have also given example of my friend who has he has not taking follow-up of that EDP program. So he has made a loss of near about 1 lakh rupees, because through a new entrepreneur, that stamp duty for new entrepreneur is a totally exemption for that particular stamp duty. But without he has taking a follow-up or without taking of guidance or taking help of that EDP officers, he has paid that amount of register. So that he has made a loss of near about 1 lakh rupees. So this follow-up is very important. So today we will discuss about the different options for the new entrepreneur. Options available for the new entrepreneur. Options कोणते कोणते आहेत entrepreneur बरोबर? बिझनेस करायचा आहे, इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट करायची, एखादा बिझनेस असेल तर तो बिझनेस सक्सेसफुली कंटिन्यू करण्यासाठी what are the options are available for the new entrepreneurs. So today we are going to discuss about these options available for the new entrepreneur. So I'll just share my screen. So I will share I think my screen is visible for all. Okay. The next point is the important point is the options available to the entrepreneurs. What are the options are available to entrepreneur? Question will be arise for near about 8 months. Define the different options available for the entrepreneur. So let us discuss related to the different options for the entrepreneur. That first option is a franchising. Franchise. Already we know that this franchising. Then today we will see the exact technical definition of the franchising. That it is franchising, it is defined as an arrangement of where the manufacturer of a trademark product or service, in case of service, gives exclusive right of the local distribution to retailer in return of their payment of royalties. The simple definition is that it means that suppose you take one example, famous example of that Eule tea as well as Khomne Gulacha Chaha. This is the one of famous trademark is there, and this is a service-based industry there. And some manufacturer industries are also in market. They are providing that particular franchisee to local distribution to retailer for the return of the payment of the royalties. It means that it is not possible to establish their business in everywhere. It is not possible to that establish that particular business in whole India or whole our state, because that some restriction or that some manpower availability or that localized issues are there and some other issues. So that franchising option is very, very important. Already that you suppose you have to also take one that famous example of Eule tea. That Eule tea, they are manufacture that providing that service related to the providing that tea all over Maharashtra. For establishing such type of tea stalls, it is not possible for that particular person. बरोबर आहे त्या पर्टिक्युलर एवले जे ओनर आहेत त्यांना इट इज पॉसिबल नाहीये टोटल ऑल ओव्हर महाराष्ट्रामध्ये त्यांना त्यांचा बिझनेस स्टार्ट करा, बिकॉज दॅट लोकलाइज रिलेटेड लोकल इश्यूज suppose he is living in Pune and he wanted to start open the stall in Pandharpur, Mangalda, in nearby our regions. So that person can't be handle that particular stall in by sitting in Pune. So for expanding his business purpose or enlarging of his business purpose, expansion of that trademark, he has given that particular franchise to that particular localized area, that whatever where you want to start with their particular business. So for assigning person or as well as assigning or that particular giving the franchise of that local distribution center by using his own that trademark, logo, etc., his some copyrights, etc., that for that whatever the customer is there that who has purchased that franchisee, he has needs to pay one fixed amount to that particular owner of that particular trademark, because under his that name he has started that particular business. Suppose all of you know that Eule tea is very, very, very famous now, and that particular tea is famous in Pune area. But I wanted to start here in Pandharpur, same tea stall. But no one can visit or to my particular tea stall because there is no any brand name. Right? But if I have given the name of ability is available in our Pandharpur, and whatever the shop or that particular business or enterprise under that particular brand name, I can start my own business. म्हणजे माझा जो बिझनेस मला स्टार्ट करायचा तो माझ्या ओन नेमनी किंवा माझ्या एखाद्या सेपरेट नावाने जेवढा टर्नओव्हर कंप्लीट होणार नाही एवढा टर्नओव्हर किंवा त्याचा सेल जो आहे तो त्या ब्रँडने जर कंप्लीट होत असेल तर तो त्यावेळेस मी काय करणार ते फ्रँचायझी परचेस करणार. आय विल गिव्ह म्हणजे फ्रँचायझी मला एवढे टी हे नाव यूज करण्यासाठी आय हॅव टू पे वन ऑफ फिक्स अमाउंट टू द that to the owner of that particular येवलेटी. जे ओनर आहेत त्यांच्या ओनरला मला काय करावं लागेल तर अमाऊंट पे करावं लागेल, एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट साइन करावं लागेल लीगल, and then they will provide the same brand as well as trademark of that particular product to me, and under that trademark or that brand name of that particular industry as well as service providing industry, I can start the business here. So the franchising, it is defined as an arrangement. It is the arrangement where the manufacturer of the trademarked product, it means that take example of this, that particular ability or service based industries gives exclusive rights to the local distribution. So for starting here tea stall, he has given some rights, local distribution to the retailer in returns of their payment of the royalties, whatever the shares as well as commission as well as one of the fixed amount is required to pay that particular person, owner of that particular industry. So this is one of again option is available for new entrepreneur. Now again one more name is name is famous, that Amrutulya Tea. I'm proudly saying that that owner of that Amrutulya Tea is my friend, Mr. Birazda. While we are studying in engineering time, he's studying in that computer science branch. And before 3 years ago, he has started his business enterprise, that Amrutulya Tea. Now he is offering the different franchising of different locations. So a second option is a franchisor. Franchisor, who is a franchisor? The person offering the franchise is known as the franchisor. I mean that Mr. Eule is one of the franchisor. Or Khomne Gulata, same here. That Mr. Khomne, and not a Khomne sir. That Khomne is one of a franchisor. That means who is offering the franchise. Suppose I have started to selling of one of product, and it is not possible to sell that particular product in all over Maharashtra to me. So I will offer, but that product is needs to that trademark product, whatever the product easily कुठेही available झालं नाही पाहिजे. Whatever your brand name or whatever the your different concern of that particular product, तुमच्यात काहीतरी न्यू पाहिजे तुमच्या पर्टिक्युलर प्रोडक्शन मध्ये किंवा सर्व्हिस इंडस्ट्री मध्ये. जर न्यू थिंग्स नसतील तर ते तुमची फ्रँचायझी परचेस करणार नाही, बिकॉज दॅट पर्टिक्युलर फ्रँचायझी has a number of options. So while providing the franchising, that franchisor needs to create some creativity of his business or some innovative काहीतरी असलं पाहिजे, तर ते फ्रँचायझी ऑफर करतील. किंवा ते फ्रँचायझी काय करू शकतो तर ते परचेस करू शकतो, अदरवाईज नाही. तुमच्याकडे न्यू थिंग नसेल किंवा इनोव्हेटिव्ह काय आयडिया ही नसेल तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये, सर्व्हिस बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री असेल किंवा तुमचं प्रोडक्शन मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग रिलेटेड इंडस्ट्री असेल, if that new things are not available, then no one can purchase your franchise. फुकट घ्या म्हटलं तरी ते घेणार नाही. So then next point is a franchisee. Franchisee means the franchisee is a person who purchases the franchise. Franchisee means, suppose I have started here in localized Pandharpur area, one of business of tea selling. I am one of a franchisee. See exact difference. Franchising means it is an arrangement of the providing that particular rights to the local distribution or retailers. Franchisor means a person who is offering the franchising, offering the use his trademark or service to that particular local distribution. It is known as a franchisor. Then franchisee. The franchisee is the person who purchases the franchise. म्हणजे मी कुठल्या तर ह्याची फ्रँचाइज परचेस केली आणि अंडर हिज ब्रँड नेम आय एम स्टार्टिंग माय बिझनेस. इट इज नोन ॲज अ फ्रँचाइज. ही इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योर. म्हणजे फ्रँचायझी जरी तुम्ही जर घेतली असेल, you are also one of the entrepreneur, because you are selling something. Whatever the manufactured or service based industry, they are providing some services. यांच्याकडून जे आलेले आपण काय करतोय तो लोकलाइज एरिया मध्ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतो, सेल करतो. So then last option is a franchise agreement. Franchise agreement. That franchise agreement is FDD, franchise disclosed document. FDD means franchise disclosed document. While offering or purchasing franchise, that particular one legal documentation signing is very important. Without this, that particular legal documentation, you can't be start your franchise. CCD, Cafe Coffee Day. CCD की franchise. CCD is the one of brand name. I think in Pandharpur region that CCD is not available. And you can suppose one of the student wants to start their CCD Pandharpur region. He can take the franchise from that CCD owner. For starting that particular franchise, it has required to sign legal documents. These documents are called as a franchise disclosed documents, whatever the terms and conditions of that particular industry. Suppose I wanted to start their Royal Enfield bullet showroom, Pandharpur region or that Mangalore region. Then, as per the rules, terms and conditions of that particular Royal Enfield, I have to provide the infrastructure as well as land, whatever the terms and conditions of that particular industry I need to provide. Then I can start the particular branch under that particular brand name or that trademark. So franchisee agreement. The agreement kasa asतो sir? That particular franchisee is offering to that particular year of time. Limit काय time particular limit दिलेला असतो, bond दिलेला असतो. Through that particular that some terms and conditions, म्हणजे काय, if that particular business is growth, the growth of that particular business is above 50 lakh, then such amount of the near about 5% shareholder or 10% share is offering profit, is offering to that particular franchise, etc. That terms and conditions are there. So legally documentation. A franchisee agreement is a legal document that binds the franchisor and franchisee together. A document आहे, ते document तुम्हाला काय करते तर continuous मध्ये bonding मध्ये एकमेकांच्या ठेवतात. Because for example one of I don't know, I have to start. I'm started that particular Royal Enfield showroom in Mangalore region, nearby my home. So, for bonding of me, owner of that particular Royal Enfield showroom, and exact owner of that particular Royal Enfield, he is offering the franchise in near to Mangalore region, and I have supposed to purchase that particular franchise from Royal Enfield. So that legal document is very important. If a documentation process is not done, then no one can trust with each other. As per the terms and condition, that the prices of that particular bikes are fixed. Then infrastructure, internal infrastructure or that architecture or that space required for the showroom as per the standardization of that particular Royal Enfield. So only they can provide the franchise. And then after in 1 month from your showroom, you have sold maximum number of vehicles in 1 month only. So up to if somewhat level your sale was increased. So after increasing increase your sale, that time above that काहीतरी मंथला ठरलेलं असेल की नियर अबाउट 10 or 15 व्हेकल्स तुमच्या जर सोल्ड आउट झाल्या तर अबाव टार्गेट 25 च्या अबाव जर तुम्हाला जर तुमच्या व्हेकल्स जर सेल होत असतील तर त्यावरची एवढ्या जे तुमच्या व्हेकल्स सेल होणार आहे त्याच्यावरती नियर अबाउट 3% or 5% एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट जे आहे ते त्या पर्टिक्युलर फ्रँचायझरला मिळलं पाहिजे. सो ह्या काय तर टर्म्स अँड कंडिशन्स आहेत. सो द टर्म्स अँड कंडिशन्स दॅट लीगल डॉक्युमेंट्स हे दोघांनाही बॉन्डिंग मध्ये ठेवलं जातं. So this document explains what the franchisor expects from franchisee. फ्रँचायझरला काय पाहिजे फ्रँचायझी पासून. फ्रँचायझर मीन्स I am providing I am owner of that one of industry and I have offering the franchisee to that my business. So I have need to expect from that particular person. रॉयल एनफिल्डनं ते डॉक्युमेंट तुमचं लिगली केलं पाहिजे की तुमच्या त्या पर्टिक्युलर एवढा एरिया असला पाहिजे, एवढे वर्कर्स तिथं अवेलेबल असले पाहिजे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अवेलेबल पाहिजे, सर्व्हिस बेस्ड सर्व्हिसिंग फॅसिलिटीज नेसेसरी इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर शोरूम. So these are the expectations of mine. I am one of owner of that particular industry. So these are the expectations from I have from the franchisee. So for completion or finding that particular expectation from the customer or that franchisee, it is enclosed or that it is mentioned in that particular legal agreement, that FDD, that franchisee disclosure documents. So these are the very, very important. So, again, then my screen is visible, that advantages of franchisee to the franchisor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then advantages of franchising to the franchisee. जे फ्रँचायझीला काय ऍडव्हान्टेजेस असू शकतात. At first advantage is the franchisee does not have to spend resources trying to establish the credibility of the business. Suppose I have started that showroom of Royal Enfield, as well as four-wheeler, one of Maruti Suzuki related that four-wheeler showroom, as well as one of petrol pump, HPCL, or that HP gas agency, etc. So I have माझ्याकडे थोडंफार पैसा आहे, but managerial or that particular employee related जे issues आहे, or that special employees required for that particular completion of that particular work, and these are not available in that particular localized area, then that particular franchising has offer their providing that particular such type of resources to that particular franchise. जे resources आहेत ते ओनर त्यांच्याकडून फ्रँचायझीला काय केलं जातं तर ऑफर केले जातं. Second one is once the franchisee has been started, the most franchisor will offer managerial assistance on the basis of need. So some students, I don't know exactly, they don't knowing about this, that Tata Steel, or that Rajuri Steel, as well as that Sarvottam Steel. Then that Sarvottam Steel is a new industry of that steel manufacturing industry. Is now comes in that market. They are offering their franchisee to the customer. कस्टमरला आता काय करतात तर लोकलाइज एरिया मध्ये काय करतात तर ते फ्रँचायझी त्यांचे काय करतात तर प्रोव्हाइड करावं. सो सपोज इन रूरल एरिया वन ऑफ द न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर लाइक सारखे एखादं न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर तुमच्याकडे मनी आहे, पैसा आहे, but you don't have any managerial skill, किंवा ते तुमचा बिझनेस हँडल करू शकतात असा तुमच्याकडे स्किल नाहीये, then that time you don't worry about that particular issue. That particular franchisor will offer the managerial assistance to that particular basis as per the basis of your need. Sunil Sabha, please mute yourself. Sunil.
Yes.
Your voice is getting disturbed. Yeah. In rural area, I don't know. I want to start there that particular showroom or that enterprise that. Still shop in my region. So even though काय ते मार्केट मध्ये आता स्टील शॉप मला एक मोठं एंटरप्राइज स्टार्ट करायचं आहे, बट आय डोंट हॅव एनी नॉलेज रिलेटेड टू द मटेरियल, साइज ऑफ द different products, that square pipe, circular pipe, rectangular pipe, etc. Whatever the knowledge is required to that particular business, that particular person who is handling that particular business is don't know about that particular knowledge. So don't worry about this. त्यांच्याकडे फक्त पैसा आहे, but knowledge नाही आहे. You have to invest that particular money. That franchisor will offer that particular managerial assistance for that particular running of that business. That person, that franchisor, the franchisor will offer or that provide the employee related team to train, localize, or that person who is handling that particular unit. न्यू कस्टमर, न्यू ओनर आहे, न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर आहे, यांना काहीच माहित नाहीये, त्या टाइमला इंडस्ट्रीचे मॅनेजर्स और दॅट एम्प्लॉई तुमचा बिझनेस हँडल करण्यासाठी और तुम्हाला ट्रेनिंग देण्यासाठी, ऍक्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग देण्यासाठी दॅट पर्टिक्युलर फ्रँचायझर कडून तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड केले जातात. So this is one of the advantages of the franchising to the franchisee. Then toll-free numbers are also available so that the franchisee can ask the question. The pizza at McDonald's तुम्हाला जर अवेलेबल आला तर ते लोकलाइज एरिया मधल्या तुमच्या फ्रँचायझीनं काय केलं, फ्रँचायझरनं काय केलं, फ्रँचायझीनं काय केलं तर तुम्हाला service provide केली, and whatever the taste or that some related issues are, तर तुम्ही डायरेक्टली कंप्लेंट त्या एंटरप्रेन्योरला करण्यापेक्षा किंवा त्या हॉटेलला करण्यापेक्षा, हॉटेलपेक्षा आपण काय करतो की ब्रँड नेम जे आहे त्यांना आपण काय करतो तर डायरेक्टली कंप्लेंट करतो. डायरेक्टली टोल फ्री नंबर असो आपण काय करतो डायरेक्टली तिकडे फोन लावतो, त्यांना काहीच बोलत नाही. सो दे विल टेक फर्दर ऍक्शन टू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर. So this is one of also one advantage of that franchising to the franchise. So these are the different advantages of the franchising to the franchise. So I think next lecture, artificial intelligence, we will start within 5 minutes. So I will stop here. Those students are remaining to submit the ISA. I think near about 3 students are remaining. Remember that I will not give the particular marks in ISA. There are 30 marks from the ISA out of 100.